It's a story most of us know well at this point, thanks to the many books and films on the subject, the sinking of the Titanic. We know the ship was traveling at full speed, hitting an iceberg before it went down on April 14, 1912, and took more than 1,500 of its 2,224 passengers with it. However, a new documentary points to a black blotch on the side of the ship's hull, an indication that a coal storage fire may have burned for days before the Titanic went down. Researchers say the fire weakened the steel in the hull of the ship. The new documentary also suggests that the crew may have moved the smoldering coals to the ship's boilers, contributing to the breakneck speed with which it finally met that fatal iceberg. Though the ship went down almost 105 years ago, her body still sits at the bottom of the Atlantic, ready to reveal more secrets.